Given the value of hyperbolic sine of x, which is 2, find the exact value of the remaining 5 hyperbolic functions of x. Okay, so let's recall the following fundamental identity. The square of hyperbolic cosine of x minus the square of hyperbolic sine of x is equal to 1. And then you can actually have this value for the square of the hyperbolic cosine. This is 1 plus the square of hyperbolic sine of x. And getting the square root of both sides, the hyperbolic cosine of x is equal to the square root of 1 plus hyperbolic sine of x. Now, this is positive because the hyperbolic cosine of x is always positive for all x in the set of real numbers via its definition. Again, we have the hyperbolic cosine of x is equal to the average of e to the x and e to the negative x. So this is always positive. So we are sure that this is positive. Now, you have this formula for the hyperbolic cosine of x. Since we are given that the hyperbolic sine of x equals to, what is the hyperbolic cosine of x? You just substitute the value. Now this must be square. This is what? This is 2 square. This is square root of 5. Next, how about the hyperbolic tangent of x? This is the ratio between the hyperbolic sine of x and hyperbolic cosine of x. So this is just 2 over square root of 5. If you multiply by square root of 5 over square root of 5 to rationalize this expression, we have 2 square root of 5 all over 5. Now, how about the hyperbolic cotangent of x? This is equal to the ratio between the hyperbolic cosine of x and hyperbolic sine of x. This is square root of 5 over 2. Okay, so how about the hyperbolic secant? This is the reciprocal of hyperbolic cosine. So this is what? 1 over square root of 5. Or by multiplying by this quantity, we get square root of 5 over 5. And how about the last hyperbolic function of x? You have no space, so let me erase some portion. For the last hyperbolic function, we have hyperbolic cosecant. We have the reciprocal of hyperbolic sine 1 over hyperbolic sine of x. This is 1/2. So these are the answers for hyperbolic cosine of x. It's square root of 5. For hyperbolic tangent of x, this is 2 square root of 5 over 5. For the hyperbolic cotangent of x, we have the square root of 5 over 2. For the hyperbolic secant of x, we have the following: the square root of 5 over 5. And then for the last one, the hyperbolic cosecant of x, that's 1/2.